Hello, my name's Scott and I'm an employee at Brown's Pet Range. I'm here to speak to you today about the dietary requirements of some of the aviary birds. When people think about aviary birds, they'll think of cockatoos, canaries, budgies, or even parrots like this little guy here. Parrots will require a lot of love and attention, as you can see, just from their personality. As you can see, parrots do have a lot of personality and do have a lot of character to them, which is why they do require a lot of love and care. It's a well-known fact that parrots in particular are highly intelligent and sentient creatures, with a well-known reputation to be highly therapeutic to their owners. It's important to remember that these are wild animals, so will require the proper care and attention from the owners, as they cannot provide this for themselves. But with that care and attention, they will become lifelong friends and companions. Our mixtures contain a variety of different ingredients such as corn, maize, sunflower seeds and peanut granules. This provides a good mix of flavours, relevant fats and vitamins they require. At Brown's, we treat our animals and the customers with the respect they deserve. This honestly promotes a lot of repeat business and lifelong friends. We won't sell you anything we do not believe in, so you know you're in good hands. Here's one of our regular customers that repeatedly uses us for all his aviary bird supplies.
Hi, my name's Barry and I've been keeping parrots, mainly macaws, for about 10 years. My latest two birds now are, to my right here is Tia, she's 3 years old, and Jack, he's roughly about 18 months. When it comes to feeding my two parrots, I use the Brown's parrot food. It's ideal for the birds. It's got all their mix that they need. It's got all different types of nuts in there because the parrots love the nuts. But obviously, as you can see, Jack here loves their parrot mix. The food itself is everything they need. There's corn, there's banana, there's all sorts of fruit, and as you can see, Jack there will quite happily tuck in. And that is basically it for the Brown's pet food. Wide variety, wide selection and good value as well.
Brown's aviary bird food is now available in our specialist dealership outlets. It's very important that you provide the correct mix of food for your birds and their diet. Birds love seeds and peanuts, just like children love sweets and treats. They'll eat a favourite seed or peanut over a balanced diet all day long. However, seeds and nuts are high in calories. They are good for wild birds as it will keep them warm and provide plenty of energy. An aviary bird, however, is unable to burn this energy and in turn will become overweight and unhealthy. The best diet for most seed-eating birds consists of a formulated pellet. This ensures they'll get all their vitamins and minerals they require to be healthy. Our mixes, however, do contain peanuts and seeds, as these are an integral part of the bird's diet, so long as they are eating other things such as cracked corn and fruit. Remember, just like humans, birds require a varied diet. Too much of one thing can be harmful to their systems. Please ask a member of our staff for more information on the varied mixes that we provide. Thank you for watching.